This fresh and flavorful mango avocado salad will be a great side to your summer grilling recipes. To start, we're going to make our vinaigrette. So in a small to medium bowl, combine 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, 1.5 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, a half teaspoon of lemon zest, 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, and a half teaspoon of cracked black pepper. Give that a whisk and set that aside. Then in a medium bowl, we're going to thinly slice half of a large red onion and soak that in cold water for about 10 minutes. And the soaking in cold water will just take some of that bite out of the red onion. Then in a large bowl, we're going to combine 2 medium avocados diced into 1/2-inch cubes and 1 mango peeled and diced again into about 1/2-inch cubes. Then we're going to need a 1/2 cup of fresh basil. Go ahead and stack all of your leaves together, roll them up, and slice it into thin ribbons. Back in our large bowl with our mango and our avocado, we're going to add 1 cup of cherry tomatoes halved, our red onion drained, and then we're going to add in our fresh basil. Pour over that vinaigrette we made to begin with and gently toss everything together. You can go ahead and serve this salad right away, or you can chill it. If you're not a fan of mango, you can try peaches, nectarines, or strawberries. You can always bulk this up by adding some spinach, maybe some feta cheese, but I found this to be delicious just as it is. I will leave all of the ingredients in the instructions down below for you guys. I will leave the link to the original recipe down below in the description as well. Give this video a thumbs up if you would try this recipe. Be sure to subscribe for more delicious recipes. And if you're looking for another delicious summer salad, go ahead and click or tap here on screen, and I'll see you guys there.